Aldridge.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to play your first song. The song you're going to learn today is Smoke on the Water, and in my opinion is the greatest rock riff ever, and you're going to impress everybody with this song. I'm going to teach you two different versions of this song. We're going to do the complete beginner version, and then we're going to do the slightly more difficult version. As always, you can pause, rewatch the video as often as you like. All the notes to this song are going to be on string 6, which is this one here, the lowest sounding string. And we're just going to use our first finger to push the string down. Now, if you're a complete beginner, you want to use, well, your thumb wants to be behind the neck like this, and then you're going to just use your fingertip to push the string and pin it to the fretboard. And once you've pushed the string down, you're just going to need to keep applying the pressure or keeping the string pinned to get a really clear sounding note. And a really good place that helps is to have it tucked right behind the frets here. We're a little less buzzy here. So here we go. I'm going to be using a guitar pick, but you can also use your thumb. Now I'm just bringing my thumb into the video here so you can see me plucking, but usually we want to play the string back down here, which I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so here we go. We're going to play the open 6 string, so we're not pushing down. And then the first finger is going to play the 3rd fret. So 1, 2, 3, we push down, and then we go to the 5th fret. So that's 0, open, 3, 5. Next, we go 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Okay, here it is again. So maybe you can't go as fast as me right now, but every time and each time you play this, you're just going to get that little bit faster, and then it will start to speed up. If you'd love to continue this learning journey with me, check out my online course, Guitar Start in 30 Days. And I'd really love to have you in that course. And I have provided a link for you to check out in the description right at the bottom here. Okay, so now we're going to do the more difficult version where we're going to be playing 2 notes. So this time we're going to be playing on string 6 and also string 5. I'm now placing my finger on string 5 at the 2nd fret, and either with your thumb or a pick, you can strum 2 strings. Now you probably hear that the pick makes it sound louder and the flesh of the thumb is a little bit quieter. Some people prefer this, and not one is better than the other, it's just preference. Okay, so we play these 2 together and we grab the 3rd fret again, but this time I'm going to use my pinky or my 3rd finger, depending on how big your hands are. We're going to place that now at fret 5 on string 5. Now these are called power chords and they're used all the time in rock music. Okay, so I'm just going to play these 2. So this one, and we're going to slide this chord shape down to the 5th fret, and then the second part, then to the 6th fret, back to the 5th fret, here it is again, one more time. Fantastic. And just remember again that speed isn't the goal. Accuracy is the goal, because speed comes from accuracy. If you are finding this tutorial really helpful today, consider subscribing to the channel and also switch on the bell notification, because I post weekly videos just like this, and then you'll be the first to be notified. I really appreciate you attending guitar class today. Please keep up the daily practice and momentum. And remember, I'm here to support your learning journey and just really encourage and cheer you on each week. And I look forward to teaching you some more awesome song tutorials next time.